Modifying form fields in Kofax Power PDF is extremely easy. Let's look at how it's done. So with the form open and the Forms tab selected, we can select the different form element fields and see that those are selected. In this case, we might want to change the name of our combo box. We may want to add an option, or we may want to reorder things. We can do that here as well. Or for something like a button, say we're submitting that to an email address as an action, but we want to change the email address. Really easy to do. We just edit, change the email address to HR, close that out, and there you go. It's just that easy.